Hi people! So today we will solve Green Revolution quiz. Ready? Let's go! What is the world's first hybrid basmati rice developed by IARI New Delhi in 2000 called? The answer is RH10. Which company holds the largest coffee plantation in Asia? The answer is Tata Coffee Limited. Which year was Green Revolution initiated in? Subscribe. The answer is in the year 1960. Which Asian country is the world's largest producer of Muga silk? The answer is India. Which is a common fruit for Asia and Australia and considered as one of the largest tree-borne fruit in the world? The answer is jackfruit. Which is the world's most expensive spice? The answer is saffron. Which country is the largest producer of chilies? The answer is China. Who was awarded the World Food Prize for his contribution to the discovery of golden rice in 1996? The answer is Dr. Gurudev S. Khush. Who was the father of Green Revolution in the world? The answer is Norman Borlaug. Which of the following state was chosen as the initiation site in India for Green Revolution? Subscribe. The answer is Punjab. Who among the following used the term evergreen revolution for increasing agricultural production in India? The answer is M.S. Swaminathan. During which 5-year plan was Green Revolution initiated in India? The answer is third 5-year plan. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.